Good morning. I'm on a run. Yeah, like, I've been in a rut for like 2 days. I had like a few too many drinkies. And then I woke up this morning and I consumed like 2 hours of screen time, like in my first 2 hours awake. I'm still a bit self-conscious of people watching me vlog out in public, because it is a bit weird, isn't it? Anyway, gonna start my day with a 30k. Look, I'm running along the canal. How beautiful. I think that's a train. Lots of pigeons congregate around here. Sorry, Sarah Millican's in my ear. She just said I've done 10 minutes. I've got 20 to go. Plan for the day. Basically, just admin. Getting my life back together, you know. Oh shit, I just ran in a fucking puddle. That's me. That's me having an asthma attack after doing a run. Okay, so, I've literally worn all of my fucking clothes before. I don't know what to wear. I'm insecure about my fucking ear. Like, I pierced her, like, 5 years ago, and now you want to get infected? And do you know what? I'm a keloid grower. I am. I don't know if you guys know what that is, but one time I had, like, I had a scaffolding piercing, like, going across here, which was super edgy when I was 16. But then I had this big fat fucking nugget, like, growing out of my ear, and I had to get the NHS to whip it right off. So yeah, like, this kind of prangs me out. Like, imagine if I get, like, a hanging earring, but, like, it's attached to my ear, you know? Anyway, I'm putting socks on. The sun is stunning, which reminds me, SPF. La Roche-Posay. Okay, so that was a bit of a side quest. I think it's like midday. I'm fucking exhausted. But I did one admin task. I sent a script to my friend, like, oh, we should film this together. How fun would that be? Anyway, one of my favourite times of the day, making lunch. Okay, so today, some kind of like chicken salad, grilled chicken salad. Okay, I need to eat this spinach before it goes bad. Cool. So let's grill some chicken, shall we? Okay, this kitchen is stressing me out. I need to do the dishwasher, and there's just a lot of stuff out. I just can't believe, like, okay, and this pan is gross. I'm gonna have to clean it. That's enough chatting shit. That bitch is clean. I need some music. You ask me if I'm angry. Well, hell yeah, I fucking am. Okay, dishwasher. Okay, dishwasher. That's not clean, is it? That's dirty. That's a filthy, dirty little knife. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put that back through the dishwasher. Because that That's not acceptable, is it? I can see inside of this glass, and I can see that it has not been cleaned properly. It's going back through the dishwasher, because we can't be having that. No, no, I'm not having it. No, I'm not. It's not on, actually. It is unacceptable, right? The thing about porridge, yeah? The dishwasher don't do it. Dishwasher's like, porridge? I don't know her. And then it comes out dishwasher, it's still covered in porridge. It's like, what have you actually got against, like, cleaning porridge? Do you know what else? Avocado. Dishwasher's like, who? Who? I don't know her. Avocado who? You get it. I'm fucking it up. Yeah? What happens when my chicken tastes like very liquid? I mean, it's still got a little bit of shit on it. Oh, and... I've just made this really dirty. It's gone all black. I need a new tea towel. And I don't know my kitchen very well. Okay, time to make lunch. Thomas, he bought these chicken breasts like 3 days ago. Didn't think to tell me? No! Didn't think to tell me. So now, I'm being forced to eat them because it's the last day before they go off. Okay, that's enough silliness. Don't play with knives. I am going to very carefully butterfly these chickens.
So, in terms of salary, you were thinking...
I was hoping you would tell me what you were thinking.
Oh, I insist.
It's an advert.
I insist.
I insist.
I insist.
Please.
Set salary expectations from the start and skip the awkward chat.
They were representing the North just then. Represent. I'm from Midlands, yeah? Yeah? And you just trying to raise us, don't you? You Southerners and you Northerners, both of you, alright? We've not done Dust Bowl yet. Okay. Pretty boy. Everyone says that I look like Willoughby. Apparently Willoughby is a blonde twink. But all you could see was me. Right, next, time to wash some salad. Now this bit is actually really difficult. You get some spinach, you get your salad spinner with some, salad from last night still hanging around in there. You put the salad into the salad spinner. And then a different type of salad, because just spinach leaves, I don't know if that classes as salad. Yeah, oh my god, look at that colour. Oh! Okay, we're back to washing the salad. And you go like that. Give it a good rinse, yeah? Go right up in there, yeah? Oh, this bit's so fun. She's stuck. Oh, shit. Hello! Sometimes I like to chop up the salad. Today, I can't be fucking bothered. Okay, do you know what's fun? The next bit is fun because I'm making my very special dressing. Get another stainless steel bowl. Then, you want a glug of olive oil, preferably extra virgin. Can't relate. Maybe like something like this. Wait, you can't see. Okay. Oh my god! This is how much olive oil I use. I guess that is the easier way of doing things. Lime juice. Classic salad dressing ingredient. Lime juice. Or lemon juice, but today it's lime. And I would probably use like equal parts to the oil. Do you know what? The best thing about this salad dressing is that I feel like whatever like ratios you use, like it's always fine. Like sometimes I'm like, okay, this is a particularly mustardy dressing, which is calm. Sometimes I'm like, okay, I used extra lime juice today, and I'm like, cool, it still works, you know? Which brings me on to my next ingredient, mustard. I usually use Dijon, but this is all we had. So maybe use a little bit less than you would. So I'm just gonna use like a good, I don't know. Like I said, the ratios, they're not that deep. Okay, then, honey, easy. Probably the same amount as like mustard. I love her. This is my favourite bit of, well, there's so many favourite bits to choose from actually of this salad making experience. But this is a pretty good one. I think the chicken is done and we're gonna check because, you know, pink chicken, apparently that's bad for you, I've heard, through the grapevine. Ideally, in the ideal universe world, you would wait for the chicken to rest a little bit. Okay, we've got some stuff in shop. Next, we're gonna do the pink chicken test. Okay, next you pour the chicken into here. That's crazy, isn't it? Next, you have to try the little bit of chicken off the board. That's nice. All right, give that a good mix. I feel like the heat of the chicken is going to wilt the salad, which is, you know, not ideal. I'm exhausted, Jesus. I need a day off. Do you guys not know how to make salad? Next, you get one of the clean bowls from earlier, and you transfer the salad from the stainless steel into the bowl. Yeah, the salad's wilting. Oh. I spilled some honey mustard on my white t-shirt. Where is it? I mean, yeah, you can barely see it, but I know it's there. Where's it gone? Was that it? Yeah, that's it. I'm just a girl. I need to go and do some laptop work in a coffee shop. Yeah. I'm gonna go back to bed. It's 4 p.m. and I'm going back to bed.
The following program contains full language.
Why is there a bag of paint there? So, success and no success. Success being that M&S had tiramisu. No success being it didn't have salmon or teriyaki.
Hi.
Hello.
One of the best things about New York is that on any given night there are a million
How's dinner?
things to do.
Just keep doing what you were doing. You were having a nice dance, weren't you?
I feel like that's a very conservative portion of tiramisu for each of us.
Yeah.
And I sort of feel like what's left of the packet should just be split between the two bowls, and we should just finish the whole thing. I just don't see the point in leaving a bit of tiramisu.
Because this is a whole portion for me tomorrow.
Exactly, and I'm not going to let that happen. So let's just finish it off, alright?
But then it's actually too much tiramisu sometimes.
Not for me.
Oh no, the big spoon's dirty again.
What do we fancy?
Bob's Burgers. Mmm. Nice. That's a big bowl of tiramisu. That's all for me! We're not sharing. It's mine. Do you want to say goodbye?
No.
Say goodbye. You're not going to say goodbye? Goodbye.